Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW X5 battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gear like safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your BMW X5 is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin. The battery in an X5 is usually found in the trunk area, often under the floor panel, or sometimes beneath the rear seat. Taking these initial steps ensures a safe and smooth process for battery removal. Once you've located the battery, the next step is to safely disconnect the terminals. Always start with the negative terminal first. Using a 10mm wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative terminal and remove the cable. This crucial step prevents any accidental electrical shorts. After the negative is disconnected, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. Keep the cables clear of the battery posts to avoid any contact. With both terminals safely disconnected, you can now focus on removing the battery itself. BMW X5 batteries are typically secured by a hold-down clamp or strap. Locate and unfasten these securing mechanisms, which might require a socket wrench or a screwdriver. Once the battery is free, carefully lift it out of its compartment. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing over 50 pounds, so lift with your legs and be mindful of your back. Now for the installation of your new battery. Carefully place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it sits snugly and is properly aligned. Reattach the hold-down clamp or strap to secure it firmly. When connecting the terminals, reverse the order. Attach the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Double-check that all connections are tight and secure. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.